Yeah, a one time, Youngster. Oh, no. Morris, the critic.
Alright, yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. And on today's video, I would like you guys to rate me from 1 to 100. You know why? It is because I'm going to be styling this bride, and I don't want to use a lot of gel. Like, I don't want to use gel, in fact. So I want you to I want to go, like, you to follow me, and then we go through this video and see how you can manage styling natural hair without using gel, because this is possible. When it comes to natural hair, you can always do anything you feel like. So she's a bride and she wants something very simple for her natural hair. And yes, here we go. I'm going to take you through and you see all this tutorial. Please, if possible, I would like you to rate me from 1 to 100. Okay, yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and just know on this channel is where you always find different types of hairstyles. Yes, those ones who want the natural hair products, I'm gonna drop the link in the description so that you can go through and check it out. Yes, and buy those products from the shampoo to the oil. Okay, so let's get started and see how this is going to be done.
For the ones that make us smile every day, pour their hearts in all they do every minute. Work so hard for us to be so bold. Stand tall. We appreciate you. We love you. We say thank you. Yeah, we say we are here for you. We are here for you. All our lives we've been waiting for this moment. We need like expected. We're here for you. We are here for you. Mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe, oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Oyagala mulembe jangu tutambule no mulembe, oyagala ebiriko jangu ffe tukuwe ebiriko. Hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers, hair by clippers. Confidence said in muchikumi we give it out tetuleka you with the best to none. Anyawa kana ruleta tujja kulaga embiri twazitenga. Tuli ba big baller shot callers tukola kwaba bazewulira. So high in the sky, we know how to make it glam and look so splashy. Everybody clippers, we the best. 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 Hair by clippers. Tolina chongamba. Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimuba chikola from the art. Obukuku bwa pulo. The moli muyiga bona bachiso. Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, him a run them. Ujemviri bakuwa, balinga high grade kweva soma. All of them are styles, them a do for you. Them a make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Tolina chongamba. Hair by clippers fire. Yeah. Oh na na. Tolina, Tolina chongamba. 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 Tolina. Tolina chongamba, Tolina, yeah, 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 yeah. A number one crochet master, Morris.
Alright, yes, since I've reached here, you can see how progressive it looks. And please, if there is any question that you'd need to ask, I would like you to go and write in the comment section. Please ask anything that you feel like, and I'll be there to answer you. Though what you can always do for me is to rate me from 1 to 100 and tell me what you feel about this natural hairstyle. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. I love you so much. And those ones who want my other master classes, yes, online, you can go still in the description. The link is there. It is going to take you through. For now, I'm gonna be signing out. May the Lord bless you all. To those ones who are going to rate me from 1 to 100. I love you so much. Stay blessed and see you in my other next video. Just try to look at my bride the way she looks. This is wow.